Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do this in basketball. One way or another, I'll be teaching you. Like and subscribe for more basketball videos out here, and let's get into this. Alright, for starters, you're going to want to learn how to do this. Very fast, so you get the move while you're jumping. It's quite hard for some people, because mostly they'll drop it and they'll mess it up like that. Like that. You should do it like, see, I'll show you what I mean without a hoop first. So speaking of that, you can either go ahead with the hoop or low rim like I'm doing right now first, or you could just do it without a rim to kind of get the movement and speed down, like so. Alright, once you've put enough time and effort into this, you should be able to do this. If you're even luckier, you can even do it with your left, though it's very hard for me. But that's how to do it in the basic skills that I've taught you.